Okay, now we have new students today, so I will need to brief them a little for these class rules. Yeah, thank you, Hao Lun. Wesley, Yunxi, you will need to turn on your cameras. Okay, now chat function is always available for you to put your inputs. Okay, if you need to go for your toilet, just go ahead. All right, we will have a short break in between, so not to worry. And we will not try not to scribble anything on the screen, because we are all sharing and everyone is watching, you see. Okay, so yeah, today's agenda, just to check with you, do you know that you need to go to watch the lesson video lesson 3031 before you attempt the questions? Okay, where can you find, if you have a problem finding where are the lesson is, raise up so I can assist in that. Okay, and I noticed that many of them have not done their work. Can you input here in the chat function here? Just a message for everyone, and then I want your input. Okay. I will ask. I will know who did, who didn't, but just to have a reason. Please provide me a reason, can? Okay. Yeah, Hao Lun, I understand that you have there is a few areas that you need to address, right? So later when I go through correction, you try to catch up the gaps. Okay. All right. So yes. Yeah. Do you know where to find the homework? Ah. Okay, okay. Yunxi, I didn't see yours. Did you key in? If you say you completed, then I didn't see yours. Okay, let me check again. Wait, no. Let me check your. Sorry, you didn't see. I didn't see yours inside the system. I didn't. Okay. So maybe probably if you say you have entered into it and then the result is not captured, right? Is that what you meant? Okay, some of them say doesn't know how to find your homework. Okay, there are two ways. One, later when we are ending the lesson, soon after the lesson, you can stay back a little while, then I will talk to you about it. So if not, I will have to start my lesson right away. Okay. Elda? Elda, have you fixed your camera? All right. Make sure I can see your faces right in front. Okay. Now, last, we will be doing polygons, basic geometry polygons, and construction of 3-4 side figures. Okay. Last week, we have this note taking. It's quite a big chunk of notes here. All right. So I just want to recap very fast, speedily, that what we have covered for that formula of n minus 2 multiplied by 180 divided by n, okay, to find the interior angle and exterior angle. First thing first, what is a polygon? The polygon is made up of any figure that is made up at least 3 and above. Number can be 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides. Of course, you say 3 sides, isn't it a triangle? Yes. 4 sides, square, rectangle, yes. So anything that is above, we don't give, we also give them special names, but we call them actually the polygon. All right. So for 5 sides, we call it the pentagon. All right, the 6 sides, we call it a hexagon, so on and so forth, that we covered. All right, and then our job is to learn about interior angles, where interior angles, we call them internal, okay, interior or exterior. It depends on where you are looking at, okay? I will be using highlights for this lah, red, okay? So this is n, which is n gave you the number of sides, okay? Here, all right? So if you have number of sides here, n is equals to 6, that means this is a 6-sided polygon, and we have a name called hexagon. We came to know after some investigation that this is the formula to find each interior angle, okay, which is n minus 2 times 180 over n. Then how to find the total interior angle? So total interior angle will be n minus 2 times 180. So this one is for interior angle. Total, okay, total interior angle. So this is meant for each only. So that's why you need to divide by n. Okay. Now we not only learn that, we also learn that each polygon's angle has an exterior angle. Where can you find this exterior angle? The one I'm writing in red, the exterior angle is the one that is outside the interior angle. And this interior angle and exterior angle adds up to be 180 degrees. Okay. So technically it's a straight line. And we also investigate, if we add up all the exterior angle, this exterior angle, this exterior angle must add up to be 360. Okay, so that is where we found it here. So when n is equals to 5, okay, so when n is equals to 5, this is something like a pentagon. So total exterior angle must add up to be 316. And then each exterior angle is divided by 5, which is 72. Okay, so this is each, and this is exterior angle. Okay. Then another word I want to highlight to you is we want to use the word regular, and then we want to apply it to this when you find each equal angle. Okay, the word regular means all sides must be equal. Okay, so far, for those who have worked with me last week, you'll be able to understand what is going on. Okay, for those who are new, just bear with me a little while. I will go through slower for the next few questions for this week. All right, and then raise your question, raise your question so that I can address you also. Okay, all right. So the first question for today here is, what a regular polygon has p sides, okay? And you don't know how many, but all you know, it is a regular. The word regular tell you all sides are equal, okay? And the size of each interior angle, each interior angle is 8 times the size of each exterior angle. So that means to say your interior and exterior angle, okay, so for example, okay, maybe I'll draw this like that. Okay, so this is so-called, if let's say I have this like that, but I don't know how many sides, and I know that this is equal to this n-sided polygon. So he tell you the side is P, so n must be P. The size of each interior is 8 times. So when I say 8 times, this must be 8 units. Exterior angle must be 1 unit, right? So this is interior, and this is exterior. Earlier on, I mentioned they added up to be 180 degree. So in 1 unit, you will be at 180 divided by 9, which will give you 20 degrees. Okay? So there are many ways of doing it. Since you know that this is exterior angle, so what I need to do is I focus on this 20 degree. So this one is 20 degree. This one is 160 degree. Now, it's easier to use the exterior angle because just now we say each exterior angle is actually make 360 divided by 20. Okay, so from each exterior angle, we are able to find the number of sides. Then this will give me 18. Okay, so this one is 18 sides polygon. Okay, so that answers both part of the question. A, find the size of each exterior angle, which I have already gotten as 20 degrees. And then find the value of P, whereby P is, we found out to be 18, right? Yeah, so fill in 18. Okay, then you say, is there any other way? Yes, of course. I just want to introduce another method. Okay, so this one is part A. This one is part B. So for method 2, I would show here, method 2. Okay, who can suggest what can we do to method 2? Okay, maybe I ask, who are with me? I think Yunxi and Haolun, right? Yunxi, can you unmute yourself? I didn't see your face in front of camera. Where are you? Yunxi, are you there? Okay, because I need you to present your method. Is there anything you can suggest how to find method 2? Yunxi, can you help us with this? Any idea? Yeah, because you said you already completed. Okay, to answer this question, when we say about this interior angle, classmate is asking, is there anything called in irregular polygon? We don't call that irregular, but we will name it as polygon without the word regular. Okay, so if they mention polygon, that means it is not regular. That's all. That means the sides can be different. Okay, but the total interior angle is still the same. Okay, all right. Yunxi, are you able to help us with method 2? Any idea? Okay, if not, then how long will you be able to help us with method 2? Did you use method 1 to solve for yourself?
I use method 1.
Okay, method 1. Okay, that's good. So you use exterior angle. Yeah, then I show what I do. I use interior angle to solve. Okay, interior angle, it will be, what's the formula? Yeah, let's check it out. Okay. Each, we are talking about each interior angle. We say that we have this so-called N divided by N. Okay, so each interior angle, we will say that we learned that this is 160, right? From the answer. Okay, each interior is, each exterior is 20, each interior is 160 degree. So N is unknown, right? But so I put it inside P minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees over P. P refers to which one? The P side here. Okay. So now, remember we have to get rid of this P. So we say we have to have 160 P is equals to expand it 180p minus 360 degree. Okay, Since all degree, then I don't want to write the degree. So therefore, if I were to manipulate